students, I am Kanchan here, and this time I have taken the chapter Deep Water from the book Flamingo. So here I told you that he was just thrown by a young man, means the author was thrown by a young man into water pool, and then he was struggling to come out, but he was not able to come out there, and hardly he could reach to the edge of the pool, and he was safe there. I went down endlessly. I opened my eyes because he was under the water, so nothing but water with a yellow glow dark. He was looking only yellow dark water there, and it was dirty also, and then sheer stark terror seized me. Again he was terrified badly. Terror that knows no understanding, terror that knows no control, and terror that no one can understand. He was terrified badly that his senses were there, but he was terrified badly that he was not able to think properly what to do. I was paralyzed, under, stiff, rigid with fear. Even the screams in my means if he wanted to cry, no one was there to listen. It was only he in the water who could listen that. Only my heart and the pounding in my head said that I was still alive. So he was just thinking, and his head was there continue in thinking how to be safe. It was only that he was thinking that he was alive, otherwise his legs were like paralyzed. And then in the midst of the terror came a touch of reason. I must remember to jump when I hit the bottom. Then he thought that when I hit the bottom I should jump to go to the surface. At last I felt the tiles under me. My toes reached out as if to grab them, and then he was touching tiles. I jumped with everything I had, and he jumped to come to the surface, but the jump made no difference. The water was still around me. I looked for ropes, ladders, water wings. Nothing was there, and a mass of yellow water held me. Stark terror took me, and even deeper hold on me. Means he was fully terrified, and nothing was there he could hold. I shook and trembled with fright, and my arms would not move, my legs would not move. I tried to call for help, to call my mother. Nothing happened, and nothing was there to be happened. And then strangely what happened, there was light. I was coming out of the awful yellow water, and he was coming out, and at least my eyes were, my nose was almost out too, means he was out of water. Then I started down a third time, but he was there in the water. He was coming up, then going down. I sucked for air and got water. The yellowish light was going out. Then all effort ceased. I relaxed. Even my legs felt limp. Limp means wobbling, means like trembling. And a blackness swept over my brain. It wiped out fear. It wiped out terror. There was no more panic. It was quiet and peaceful. Nothing to be afraid of. This is nice, to be drowsy, to go to sleep. No need to jump. Too tired to jump. It's nice to be carried gently, to float along in space. Then he was thinking that what was going there. He was inside the water, and his arms his legs were not working, and it were like trembling. Tender arms like mother's. Now I must go to sleep. I crossed to oblivion. Oblivion means something you forget, and the curtain of life fell, and he thought that he was about to die, and this time he was under the water. Okay students, thank you and Jai Hind. Just go through the story, and I will continue in my next video.